guys, it's your librarian, Mrs. Main, and it is September the 21st. It's National New York Day. So New York has a long and rich history of being settled by different peoples, and it has wonderful history of diversity, food, and culture. So originally, New York was settled by the Lenape Native Americans, also known as the Delaware Indians, and then they were colonized by the Dutch, which is the Netherlands. They're part of Europe. And then they were also colonized by the British. And then we became the United States. Okay? So in New York State, we have Niagara Falls. We can travel to Pennsylvania. We have Lake Erie. We have so many different things that you guys can learn about New York State. And we have some really great books in the library about New York State. And you can also look it up on Pebble Go and Pebble Go Next. I'll be putting a link in our Twitter about Pebble Go Next and how you can look up information about all sorts of different states. All right, enjoy your research. Have a great day. Bye.